Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my Robinhood investing series. So I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an update of my Robinhood portfolio in addition to telling you guys what my plan is for investing moving forward. So today we had a really good day, up 3.67%. For the week, we are up over 8% and making over $200. Now, for the whole year, looks like I'm up actually 13.57% or $300. So at this point, I have invested almost $2,500 and seeing a pretty decent rate of return at this point. And like I said, I'm not too sure how long I'll continue investing in this account. I'm guessing at least 5 years because at this point, that's my plan. And the wife and I are talking like if we want to move again, we probably will do it sometime within the next either 5 to 10 years. So this could be me just basically saving up for another down payment on a future house. So that's what the funds are going to be used towards. This week, up $200. For the whole month, we're up 300 something. So let me show you guys the top earners on my portfolio. So as you can see, I'm up $64 on O, and then going down, Walmart is doing well for me. Microsoft is doing really well, in addition to CCL, so that's doing pretty well for me at $77. Wow, that's crazy. Couple other smaller ones. So, all right, right here down at the very bottom, you'll see that I started buying into some shares that are really expensive, like Amazon right now. Each share is over $2,000. And I just bought in at $5 using Robinhood Fractional shares. In addition to Lowe's, I saw that they were doing really well, so I decided to put $5 into that. My plan moving forward is every single day I'm going to invest between $5 to $10. And I'll be doing that by looking at how well a stock is doing each individual day. Like, for example, if I were to purchase something, I'd look at F, which is Ford. So right now it's down 1.86% for the day. So if I saw this, I would probably purchase $5 worth. And that's how I'm planning on doing it moving forward, just because I can't continue to just throw large sums of money into my brokerage account, because at this point I'm pretty much capped out on the amount of money that I decided I want to throw into my brokerage. At this point, the investing speed will be slow and steady. I'm still definitely going to be adding on to this brokerage account. It's just going to be a little bit slower moving forward. So why did I decide to do this? Let's do some real quick math. So like I said, I am planning on investing $5 per day. So 5 times 365, that is 1 year. So every year I'll be throwing in $1,800. And like I said, my length of time of investing is probably going to be for another 5 years. So let's take this number times 5 years. So that's how much money I should have in my brokerage account in addition to what I currently have in my portfolio. But let's just take this math here. So let's say I get a return of at least 5% for 5 years. So I'll take this number, times it by 1.25. The 25 is the 20% that I'll be getting if I get at least 5% every year for the next 5 years. So by the end of the 5-year period, I'll have over $11,000 in my brokerage account. Now, I know that might not seem like much to some people, but for me, this is a huge amount. And what this is basically going to be doing for me is it's going to be forcing me to save, essentially. And if I find a really good deal on a particular stock, maybe I'll throw $10 in there. But my minimum is going to be at least $5 a day that I'm going to throw into my Robinhood brokerage account, thanks to Robinhood Fractional shares. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to work for me moving forward, because every time I throw $5 at a particular stock, the average cost of the particular share is going to either go up or down. You'll see for Walmart, I've already added a couple buys of $5 when I saw that it was in the red. And initially, it looks like I purchased a decent amount on April 13th, purchased 1.2 shares. And ever since then, I've just slowly been throwing $5 at the stock, just because I do believe in Walmart and I do believe that it's going to have the potential to go up, especially once everything opens up again. I invested in CCL, the cruise line. Got it at an average cost of $11.80, just due to the fact that if you could look at a year's time before all the chaos happened, each share was about $40 to $50, and I'm expecting a huge boost in that. So I have 14 shares of that. So hoping for that to completely rebound to where it was pre-chaotic times. I'm also going to be throwing in, occasionally $5 into the S&P 500. You'll see that I have $91 in it currently, and I've just been slowly throwing in $5, $10, $5. So this is my plan moving forward, just to continuously invest in the stock market, because I do have money elsewhere. I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket, but as of right now, I'm pretty happy with how this brokerage account is growing, and I'm hoping to earn more than just 13%, but we'll take it day by day. Obviously, there's going to be the good days and the bad days. So I hope you guys continue to follow me on my journey on building my Robinhood portfolio. All this is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I'm merely just a random guy on the internet who happens to be investing in stocks. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.